Hi.
Hi.
This is the shortcut.
Oh, leaves are falling.
This is the song. It's really cool because you can climb up there. Look, it's cool, but it's really old and it's long.
Whoa! That's so cool. Can you go up there?
Yeah.
Does it work?
Yeah.
Is it stable?
I don't know. Better than the last time we've been up here.
Go, Emily, go.
If you hand Bailey up to me, you can come up here too.
No thanks.
Come on.
Uh-uh.
Just tie her to a tree. Get up here.
Uh-uh.
Why not?
Why is there like a random treehouse back here?
Graham built it, and he used to play paintball back here. And then this thing fell apart, so he really can't.
Oh.
I mean, this thing plays in the
He just like randomly started building it. There's like random chair and stuff. Tire. Bailey, chill. Emily.
What?
Hi.
Hey. Shit, I'm just laying off boards.
What?
I'm like afraid to stand up.
You're afraid it's gonna break? I'd be afraid too.
Well, it's all like rickety.
Ooh, fancy. I like trees.
But yeah, this is how I get to your house.
Cool. This
I climb up here.
cool.
Man, Graham destroyed. He like ripped Amy's board off.
I need some place to put bales. Bailey. Emily, you wanna come down now? There's mosquitoes eating me alive. Whoa. Ah! Spider web. Just like walked through it. That's gross.
You're gross.
Oh.
Back there's the trail. It's how I get back to my house.
Here. Don't hold the dog. Don't go up there with her. Oh. See if I can break it. Nope. It doesn't sound good. It's like.
This thing is really old. But it's held together well. It has brackets everywhere. So I don't think it's going to fall apart. It's always really creepy because it creaks like that. But it won't.
How do you feel, Bailey? Bailey, you're retarded. She wants to leave.
This place used to be really, really nice. Like this thing was kept up really well. And then they had a garbage bag nail down here, and people used to come back here more often. But everything fell apart.
We should come back here a lot and then like fix it.
Yeah, I was thinking about doing that.
Cool. Alright, say bye.
Me.